Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you JOPDF PDF Editor and why it can be a powerful free alternative to premium PDF tools. After searching for a PDF editor, one very important thing for me was that it should be free. That's why I found JOPDF, and I also noticed that it is very simple and easy to use. This is a free PDF editor that lets you easily edit, convert, and manage PDF files on your computer. So let's see how it works. First, download it from the official website. Once it is downloaded, install it on your PC. After installation, JOPDF will open. As you can see, it looks simple and it is also very easy to use. All the features are visible on the start screen. Now let's test some of its features. First, I will try editing text. Just upload the PDF file you want to edit. Then click Add Text. As you can see, you can easily edit, add, or remove text in your PDF file. This is very useful if you forgot to add something, made a mistake, or want to remove something from the document. You can also add images. Just select Add Image, drag it to the place where you want it, and then choose the image from your computer to add it to the PDF document. You can also add website links to the text. It works in a similar way to adding an image, but here you need to select or drag over the text where you want to add the link. Then a pop-up window will appear. Just add the link you want and click Apply. Another very important feature is the watermark. You can add a watermark to make sure nobody can take your PDF document or text and use it as their own. You can choose where to place it, for example left, right, or middle, and you can also change the size and other options. There is also an option to remove a watermark, whether it is one you added or a watermark already in the PDF. Another useful feature is signature. Here you can add your own handwritten signature. Just click on Signature, write your signature, and place it in the PDF document. You can choose to add it on all pages or only one page, and you can drag it to the exact position where you want it. You can also remove a signature by clicking on it and selecting Remove. However, if it is on multiple pages, you may need to remove it page by page. There is also a batch process feature. With this, you can convert PDFs to other formats like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or images. When you install JOPDF for the first time, it may ask you to install a plugin. Just click Install. The plugin is also completely free. After installing it, more options will be available in batch process, such as converting PDFs, compressing files, and many other tools. Let's try converting a PDF to Word. As you can see, it's simple. Just add the PDF file, select Word as the output format, and click Start. After a few seconds, the Word document will be ready. As I saw in my test, the Word document was without photos. After converting to a Word document, there were no photos included. I'm not sure if it converts fully or without images, so I will test this more and maybe make another video explaining this feature in more detail. Another important feature for many of us is the Compress PDF option. This is very useful if you send PDFs by email, because many email services allow files up to 25 megabytes. With compression, you can reduce the file size and send it easily. Let's try compressing a document. It's very simple. Just upload the PDF and select Compress. After a few seconds, the process will finish. As we can see, the quality is still very good even after compression. There is also a print option, where you can directly print your PDF from JOPDF. You can also adjust different printing settings. Another feature that caught my attention is the organizer. If your PDF has many pages, you can organize them easily. For example, you can delete pages you don't need or rearrange pages by simply dragging them. And finally, there is Encrypt PDF. With this feature, you can encrypt or decrypt a PDF file. You can add a password to protect your PDF if it contains private information. You can also remove the password protection if you need to open a protected file. Just upload the file and click Decrypt. So these are some of the features from JOPDF that I think are useful for everyday use. The best part is that JOPDF offers many features that are usually available in paid PDF editors, but this tool is completely free to use. And that's it. This was a quick overview of JOPDF PDF Editor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.